So enter comments about this source, and you can insert more information like we can see here. So after that, all customization if you need, so you can edit all options, then click on OK. Now just you need to click on insert. So select from this list which you have, like this. If you will click this drop down, so you will find options. You can edit source, convert citation to static text, update citations and this source. So this text will be changed. So in this manage sources, as we can know, we can add style. Choose the citation style for your document, such as APA style, Chicago style, or MLA style. So here you will see all option. So it's APA 6th edition, Chicago 16th edition. So you will see this your information which you add. So simply, if you want to give the reference, so click here and select how you want to give, like this. So all this information and source you will find here where you want to give. Insert caption. Label your picture or object. Once you added a caption, you can reference your object anyway in your document by inserting a cross reference. So firstly, click here, add caption. So type for caption text which you like, label, equation, figure or table. And position. Exclude label from caption. If you want to exclude label from caption, so select and check this box. Numbering. So number format. Include chapter number. So select heading. Chapter start with style. Use separator. So hyphen and period, colon, M dash, and end dash. Example you will see here. Table 1a, figure second, this dash and 1. There is no chapter number to include in the caption or page number. To apply chapter numbers, use the multi-level list button on the Home tab and select numbering scheme that's linked to the heading style. So firstly you need some list in your data, like this one. Select this odd and give the number. Now references, and this is the numbering. So we have this one now. Try again. So we have this caption, like this sentence you want to use as caption. Click here, click here and paste here your text, then click on OK. So this sentence is changed in caption format. Insert an image. So like this, we can give the caption in image or any object. Insert table of figure. So we discussed about table of content. Similarly, table of figure. Add a list of captioned objects and their page number for quick reference. So we can give the caption as we did before, table of content. So we can give the table of captions. Select as you need style, and all these things will change and modified as table of content, which we discuss. So click here. That's it. So like we gave the caption, and this caption is now in table of content with its page number. Like you want to make this one as caption. So select and use this one as a caption. Okay, so now we will give the table of content, table of captions. We want to replace selected table of figures. Click on yes. Now we have that line also here. This one, page number 31. So we have this caption on page number 31. Another example, we have the now page number 130, page 130. Okay, so we will write here. Now copy this one and type here figure second, page number 130. Now click on table of these figures and you can change style